Hello everyone, today we got a very good trending day and tomorrow we'll plan for expiry trades in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's go into the charts without further ado. This is Bank Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. You can see we got a very huge fall and we entered into the range of 44,400 to 44,000 level again. If we are opening flat to small gap down, then we will plan a trade till 44,000 first, and if it is getting breakdown, then we will go for 43,800 and then 43,600 as well in a flow. Or else if we are getting a huge gap up opening near 44,000 level, 44,400 level, then we'll look for selling opportunities from this level itself. This is Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. Nifty is trading at support area, which is 19,300 level. If you are crossing 19,300, then immediately we can see 19,280 to 19,250 level as well. If you are crossing below 19,230 level, then we can see 19,160 level as well. Or else if it is opening a huge gap up opening near 19,410 to 19,400 area, then from here again we can plan for selling. If we are moving above this resistance area, then only we can go for buying side in Nifty. This is a simple plan in both Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Let me know if you have different levels or if you have doubts in the comments. We will discuss over there.